In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split numbers into digits in Excel. This is a simple task that can be really useful when you need to analyze parts of an ID, separate digits from a number, or prepare data for calculations that depend on individual digits. You will see how to set up a clear header row, enter a sample number, and then use a function to extract each digit into its own cell. First, you are going to label the cells so your sheet is easy to understand. Look at the top row of your worksheet. In cell A1, type raw number. In cell B1, type digit 1. In cell C1, type digit 2. In cell D1, type digit 3. And in cell E1, type digit 4. Take a moment to confirm that each label appears in the correct cell. This matters because the formulas you will enter later will reference these positions, and clear headers make it much simpler to follow along. Next, you will enter the number you want to split. Click cell A2, which is directly under raw number. Type the number 5824 into that cell. After you press Enter or confirm the entry, you should see 5824 displayed in cell A2. At this point, you have your raw input ready, and your digits areas waiting to be filled by formulas. Now you will extract the first digit. Click cell B2, which is under digit 1. In the formula bar, type $me $A2, columns $B2 B2 1. Once you enter the formula correctly, press Enter on your keyboard. This will extract the very first numerical digit from the value in A2. It might feel a little unusual that the formula uses columns, but that is what makes the method flexible when you drag it across. For now, just focus on the result. You should see the first digit appear in cell B2. With 5824, digit 1 should be 5. After you have the first digit working, the next goal is to fill in the rest without writing new formulas. Move your cursor to the bottom right corner of cell B2. When you hover there, you will see a small black cross appear. This is Excel's fill handle. That black cross is your signal that Excel can copy the formula pattern across adjacent cells. Now you will drag the fill handle across to generate the remaining digits. Click and drag that black cross from cell B2 over to cell E2. Stop when you reach the cell E2 position. As you drag, Excel will extend the same formula logic, and the columns part of the formula will automatically adjust which digit position it returns. When you release the mouse button, the cells should populate with the correct extracted digits. You should end up with 5 in digit 1, 8 in digit 2, 2 in digit 3, and 4 in digit 4. At this stage, your worksheet shows exactly how each digit from the original number was split out into its own cell. You can verify the output by comparing each digit in B2 through E2 to the number in A2. If everything was entered correctly, the digits should match in order, and each cell should display a single digit rather than the full number. And that covers the full process. You labeled your columns for clarity, entered your raw number, used the mid function to pull out digits, and then dragged the formula to fill the remaining cells. And that is all there is to it.